while Windows 11 24H2 brings fresh features and improved performance. Many users have reported issues like display glitches, driver compatibility problems, and overall stability concerns as a result. But my advice and what I prefer is sticking with a more stable 23H2 until the bugs in 24H2 are fully addressed. When you access the official website of Microsoft to download Windows 11, the only version available here is 24H2. And if we scroll down a little bit, we gonna select download Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 46-bit. It's a crucial thing to know that there is no opportunity for you to download Windows 11 if you are running operating system 32-bit. To download Windows 11 23H2, open a new tab, type archive, semicolon, download Windows 11 23H2. Hit enter, click on the first URL, scroll down a little bit, and if we click on the ISO image, it's size 6 gigabyte. Also, Windows 11 version 23H2, 46-bit ISO file. If we click on download ISO file image, we're gonna choose a path and we're gonna select save. Here is our Windows 11 23H2 English 46-bit is running and downloading. It's size 6 gigabyte.